class. Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, and there you're looking for Lemon8 app. Or just click on search. Then here add Lemon8. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage here. Just click on clear cache. So then you restart your phone and storage again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.